morning, students. You see here exercise 2E and slab 1 according to your syllabus. So this is what is called factorization, where you have to arrange and factorize. Now how you can do that? See here, A and A I will make it together, and 5b and 5x I can make it together, or from here I cannot take anything common. Ax and ab I will make it together. So how I can make it? Ax plus ab, then minus 5b minus 5x. This is called arrangement. Now what? I will take common from first two and common from last two. Now what is common here is, you can see A is common. What is left out is x plus b. Now if minus, we'll put minus. If plus, we'll put plus. So what is common here is 5. So what is coming? Minus minus is plus, b. Minus minus is plus, 5 is common, x is left. X plus b and b plus x is the same thing. So what I can take from first two term, what is common is x plus b, and from inside x plus b is common. What is left out is a minus 5. A minus 5. This is your answer. Moving on to the next sum, what you can see is question number 8. First of all, I have to remove this bracket. How can I do that? X square plus minus minus a into x, so ax, minus minus is plus, b into x, which is bx, plus ab. Now what I can take? I can take common from first two and common from last two. So if I take common, whether it will come, here x common, here b is common. The problem out here is x square minus ax plus bx. I think according to question it should be minus. Your question here is a mistake. It should be minus. Now what is common here? Common is your x. So what is left out is x minus a, plus what is common here? B. What is left out is x minus a. Make the question correct. It should be minus ab. So what is common from inside is x minus a, and what remains is, you see, x plus b. X plus b. This is your answer. Now moving on to the next sum. Next sum, what you can see, again I have to remove the bracket. How can I do that? A square x square plus ax cube. A is a, x square into x is x cube. Then plus, so no problem, I'll put here plus. 1 into x is x plus a. Now common from first two. What is common? A square and a is common. X square and x cube, x square is common. Lowest power is always common. What is left? From a square, a is gone. What is left is a. Here x square is all common. What is here is plus. A is common. From x cube, x square is common. From 3, 2 chala gaya. So what is left is 1, x to the power 1. We don't ever write power as 1. Now plus, nothing is common. I can write 1 is common. X plus a. So what you can see, a plus x and x plus a is the same thing. So what I can write? A plus x. You can understand 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2 is the same thing, because both gets the result 5. So a plus x from inside, and what is left out is ax square plus 1. Ax square plus 1. This is your answer. Moving on to the next sum, which is, you can see, is question number 15, which is p plus q whole thing cube minus p minus q. I cannot take anything common. Let us see if I can arrange to get something common. P plus q whole cube, I'm keeping like that. Here minus is common. So what is left? P minus minus is plus q. Now see, p plus q whole cube. What is common? P plus q. What you can see is p plus q is common. So what is left out? From 3, 1 gone. So how many left? 2 left. So p plus q, I should put here like this bracket, whole thing square, minus p plus q is common. So what is left? 1. Now you see 1 means 1 square. This one I can apply a square minus b square formula. 1 means 1 square. So a square minus b square, you know from your knowledge the formula says a plus b, a minus b. So how can I write? P plus q, and this one p plus q is common. So here a square minus b square. So a, which is p plus q, plus b plus 1, and a minus b. A is your p plus q, a minus b, so minus 1. So this is your answer. Moving on to the next sum, which is question number 9. You can see here x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Within this term, I have to get a square is there, b square is there, minus I have to get twice ab. How can I get? I write here as first x whole thing square, then plus 1 by x whole thing square. Here it is minus, so I will put minus. Now twice ab, twice a is your x into b is your 1 by x. So x cancel, 2 ones are 2. I can write. From here, minus is common because here it is minus, and 3 is what I can see is common. What is left out is minus minus plus x, minus plus is minus, 3 is common, so 1 by x. Now this one you read like this: a square minus twice ab plus b square. Yes, rightly you know the formula which says a minus b whole square. A is your x minus b is your 1 by x whole thing square, minus, understand, a square minus twice ab plus b square, which is a minus b whole thing square. Your a is your x, b is your 1 by x, minus 3. Same term I should write x minus 1 by x. Now after that what happens, you see what is common? X minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x is your common. So what you get out here is from 2, 1 gone. So 1 is left, which is x minus 1 by x. Minus x minus 1 by x is already common. What is left out is 3. This is your answer. Now moving on to the next sum, what you can see is question number 17. X to the power 4 minus 625. So what I can write, x to the power 4 as x square whole thing square, minus 625, I can write 25 whole thing square. This is your a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula says a plus b into a minus b. Now a plus b into a minus b, what I can write is x square plus 25, that is a plus b, and a minus b, which is x square minus 25. Now this x square plus 25 I cannot do anything. X square minus 25 I can write as 5 square. So how can I write? X square plus 25 same as it is, and x square minus 25 minus I can write as 5 square. Now you see again it is in the form a square minus b square, where a is your x, b is your 5. So what I can write, first part is same, x square plus 25, and second part which is x a plus b into a minus b. This is your answer. This number, question number 20, what you can see, there are 3 terms. Actually it is a middle term factorization with roots. So when roots, what we should multiply, the first term and the last term, and after taking out factors we should get the middle term. How? 7 into 4 is 28, root 2 into root 2 is 2. 28 2s are 56. How much? 56. So how should I write this one as 7 root 2 x square minus, I should get 10 out of 56. How can I do it? First it will go with 2, what I can see is 28. Then I can see 2 is 14. 14 minus 4 is 10. So I can write here is 14 minus 4. And this x is this x minus 4 root 2. Now next thing is I have to remove this bracket. So 7 root 2 x square minus 14x minus minus plus 4x minus 4 root 2. Now it's very simple. See, 14 can be written as 7 into 2 and 2 can be written as 7 into root 2 into root 2. As you know from your knowledge regarding roots. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Now here it is 7 root 2 and here it is 7 into root 2 into root 2. So what is common is 7 root 2. From 7 root 2 and 14, what I have broken out there is 7 root 2 into root 2. That means 14. So 7 root 2 is common, 7 root 2, 7 root 2, 7 root 2 is common. And as usual, x is common. So what is left out is x minus 7 root 2 is common. What is left out here? Root 2. So I can write here is root 2. X is already common. Plus, what is common out here is 4. 4 is common. What is left out? X minus root 2. Now, see, inside is same. X minus root 2. I can take it as common. X minus root 2. And what is left outside is 7 root 2x plus 4. This is your answer. So I believe